Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to transfer contacts from one phone to another. So guys, I'm going to show my Android phones. So let's start with the video. Before you start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here you can see I'm on my Android phone. So first, just assume this is your old phone, and if you want to if and you want to transfer contacts from this phone to another. So there is a two way you can do. First, go to your contacts, this application. Every Android phone has this application. If you don't have, just go to the Play Store and uh, tab here contacts. So here you can see this application from Google. You have to install it and open it. After that, you will see your all contacts. You can switch contacts from here. Just click this three line option, and here you can see all contacts. So I have only one email ID, so I have only 18 contacts. I don't want to transfer to another phone. So first I need to export all contacts by selecting all. So hold any contacts for 1 second, hold the any contact, just click and hold for 1 second, then your one contact will be selected. Now go to this three line option and click on select all, then your contact will be selected all. Now go to the share button, and here you can see when we see a file will be created. Now you can share it from WhatsApp or message. So if you have WhatsApp, you can go to the WhatsApp, or you can share via Bluetooth to another phone. Go to the Bluetooth and just another Bluetooth and share to the another phone. After that, when you receive this file, just click on it. It will be automatically input to your contact list, new phone contact list. Okay, so another way, just open again this contact application. Now go to this three line option again, and here, okay, click on this photo and go to the contact app setting, and here you can see Google synchronized setting, and here you have to add your email ID. Okay, so hope your email ID already on. Now go to the manage setting, and you have to on this synchronize, just on this. You can go again here, and you have to automatically backup and synchronize device contact, just on it. Okay, so when you on it, your all contact will be synchronized in this email ID. So check your email ID again, this email ID, then just you need to log in this email ID to your new phone, and go to the contact app, and it will be, and go to this, log in this email ID to your new phone, and go again contact app setting, and go to the synchronize, and you have to on this all setting. Okay, on this all setting, just on it like this. Okay, select your email ID, and you have to on this, then all contacts with this email ID will be synchronized. I just opt for, I don't want this. You have to on this manage, go to the manage setting, and you have to on this again. Okay, so just come back. So this is a two way you can transfer your contacts. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.